So we now study that what is a relation. A relation R from a non-empty set A to a non-empty set B is a subset of the Cartesian product A cross B, and it is defined by describing a relationship between the first element and the second element. We know that the first element comes from A and the second element comes from B. So एक relation क्या होता है? एक relation एक subset होता है कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट का, जिसमें जितने भी ordered pairs हैं उनके जो elements हैं, the first element and the second element, they have a relationship between them. So I will just describe this with an example, that is your question number 2 of exercise 2.2. It says that R is a relation on the set of natural numbers. That means जो ये relation R है, इसमें both of these sets are natural numbers only. So ये जो एक subset होगा वो होगा n cross n का. So this relation is defined by R has all those ordered pair xy where y can be written as x plus 5 and x is a natural number which is less than 4 and x comma y belongs to the set of natural numbers. So if we have to find all the elements in this relation, तो उसके लिए सबसे पहले we see that what are the possible choices for x. x की हमें यहाँ पे definition दी है that it is a natural number which is less than 4. So 4 से जितने भी छोटे natural numbers होते हैं वो क्या क्या होते हैं? They are 1, 2 and 3. So x की there are only 3 choices which are 1, 2 and 3. ठीक है. अब अगर हम इस रिलेशनशिप को देखें which is y is equals to x plus 5. So y क्या क्या हो सकता है? If x is 1 then y is 6. If x is 2 then y is 7. And if x is 3 then y is 8. So we get that in this relation अगर ये हमारे पास एक कलेक्शन है और ये हमारे पास एक कलेक्शन है, so with this relation 1 goes to 6, 2 goes to 7 and 3 goes to 8. So अगर ये तो आपको दिया हुआ है सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म में, अगर इसे हमें रोस्टर फॉर्म में लिखना हो, so this relation can be written as all the ordered pairs. ये xy की फॉर्म में लिखना है, so xy की फॉर्म में we have 1, 6, 2, 7 and 3, 8. So this is the representation in roster form of this relation. और इस तरीके से जब हम arrows के थ्रू किसी भी relation को show करते हैं, so that is known as a visual representation. Now see, जितने भी ये elements होते हैं जो हमारे x's की जगह पर है, those elements are known as the domain. The set of those elements forms the domain, right? And all of these elements जिन पे x mapped है, this is known as a mapping, जिन पे x mapped है, those elements form a set which is known as the range. So basically जितने भी ये elements होंगे इनका set होगा domain set, और जो ये elements होंगे इनका set होगा the range set. So हर ordered pair में the first element is called the pre-image of the second element and the second element is called the image of the first element. So अगर we have an ordered pair 1, 6, so 1 is the pre-image of 6 whereas 6 is the image of 1. And also जो भी हमारा range set है, this actually is a subset of n, क्योंकि ये रिलेशन जो है वो n to n डिफाइंड है. दैट मीन्स नेचुरल नंबर्स के सेट से नेचुरल नंबर्स के सेट पे डिफाइंड है. सो रेंज सेट जिसका सबसेट होता है, दैट सेट इज नोन एज द कोडोमेन. सो दैट मीन्स इन एनी रिलेशन R, द सेट B इज कॉल्ड द कोडोमेन, एंड जो सेट B के एलिमेंट्स हैं जिन पे मैपिंग हो रही है, दैट elements form a set known as range, and the elements which are being mapped, that means the elements of A, they form a set called domain. And जब भी एक ordered pair होगा, the second element is known as the image of first one and the first one is known as the pre-image of the second element. And this was your set builder notation, this was your roster notation, and this is your visual representation. So moving on to the question 4, it says that there are two sets P and Q जिनके बीच में आपको एक visual representation given है of a relation. इस relation का you have to define it in set builder form, in roster form, and then find the domain and range. So firstly, we define it in the set builder form. So the relation can be defined as, it has all the ordered pairs x, y such that, अब यहाँ पर आपको क्या दिख रहा है कि अगर ये सारे x's हैं, so we see that y's are nothing but they are x minus 2. So we can write it has the ordered pairs x, y such that y is x minus 2, where x belongs to P and y belongs to Q. So this becomes your definition in the form of set builder form. अगर इसी को आपको roster form में लिखना हो तो ये क्या होगा? This will be the collection of all the ordered pairs. That will be 5, 3, 6, 4 and 7, 5. Now as I told you, domain में क्या होते हैं? Domain में सारे first elements का set होता है. So your domain set is nothing but it is the set of 5, 6 and 7. And your range set is nothing but all the images. That means 6, 4 and 5.